Major updates for all the Tectonic users. Welcome everybody and thank you very much for watching. Today we will be covering certain catalysts that could impact Tectonic positively and we could see an increase in the future. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and welcome to all the Tectonic hodlers. So as you can see here, in the last 24 hours, you're predominantly in line. We didn't move up. We are standing now on 6 zeros and 1. With the daily trading volume of only 120,000, which is below the last 24 hours by 35%, the market cap has dropped below 10 million. So now we are on 9.9 million overall. Okay. If you can see here the graph for the last 24 hours, you can see that there was a peak, huge peak here, and then some people who were trading sold off and then it went all the way down, and now it's stabilizing back again, which is normal. As you can see here as well, the ranking now is standing on 3611 and the number of hodlers is increasing slowly every day because of the low barrier of entry, now standing on 32,461. Okay. If you look at the website now, we can see that the total supply has increased as well, 371 million, and the total borrowed is at 150 million. Now there was a little tweet yesterday, retweet actually. So from the Tectonic page you can see here they retweeted today, we are the chronosscript.com. We are struck to continue Chronos chain roadmap for the next 12 months. So basically there is a 12 months map launched by Chronos. Which will be positively. Which will impact positively the coin now we have realized here. During the first semester of 2020, Chronos achieved all-time highs for more than 900,000 users. More than 300 dApps, $4.8 billion. Now we know that Tectonic is on the crypto.com blockchain. Okay, so with that being said, the ambition of the crypto.com is to have to increase the Web3 users, deliver scalable technology to onboard the next billion of Web3 users. So by doing so, crypto.com will have more users, and if they have more users, automatically Tectonic will have more investors, so that's how the link comes in for Tectonic. So basically crypto.com are working on a lot of things. They are foster a suitable DeFi, NFT and Web3 gaming ecosystem will continue to work with application creators to increase the user-friendliness, security, transparency, and utility of depth, which is fantastic. Okay, so anytimekeeper.com, that's something for the entire blockchain, that's very good for Tectonic because it is on that exchange, on that blockchain. It is on that blockchain, remember. So that is very, very important for us, and it's a major catalyst as well. Okay, you can see as well here. Tectonic have tweeted as well. Analytic dashboard is now accessible on our platform. Go to analytics page and check out our data insights. So basically you can check the data insights on the Tectonic website. So I will be making another. Do you, if you like me to do so? Regarding if you see here analytics, you want me to do it now, you can do it analytics, so you can see basically all the updates of the Tectonic, the volume, which utilization, the total borrowed. You can see the table right here. So it is expanding and it is making it better and better and better as we progress, which is fantastic. Okay, the calculation model today, $500 invested at the existing price by deleting 3 zeros, let's say 3 zeros 1 to 2. $500 invested today. Deleting 3 zeros enables you to get 500,000 US. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit domestication bell, and I have a Medium article on the description below if you want to read a little bit more. Orlando, is Tectonic dead? 2 answers, yes and no. The token itself is dead. In my opinion, the exchange is not dead because they have money still, and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Since you guys absolutely love Tectonic videos, got to get the people what they want, let's do it. So if we look at Tonic right now, the price is a zillion zeros and down to 11.93 if we just went to an exchange such as like Crypto.com, so we can see such as the 1 month, 3 months, and you're going to see a negative price. But you got to think all the crypto is down technically. So you got to really compare it to this other competition and to like Bitcoin and stuff. So in the last days down in the red, not down too bad, but in the last week is down 15%. The last month, 32%, which is bad. 3 months 28, 6 months 84 and 1 year 96, all 96, and you look at that chart and it bring you over to this chart. Not good. 3-month chart. A 3-month chart is the most interesting thing to see because you've seen Tectonic went all the way down right here, minimum went down far as you possibly can go. And you see it's at 11.15 right there. And you had this type of growth and you had this much trading volume. So this was its chance to completely come back and go down no further than right here, but if you look at the price now, we are back to its original lows, and if you go back 1 year. Anybody with any common sense? This is a dead project and all this show me is no trading volume, and you look at the trading volume on CoinMarketCap, it's at 167,000. Not 1 million, not 2 million, not 10 million. It's anything under 1 million. That's a dead project. You can't debate it. You can't argue with me. It's a dead project now. When you go to the website now, even though they are project, you have $155 million. You can borrow it using their project. So even though the token is dead, the exchange is fully not dead because people still have their money in it. You see $75 million in the USDT, he had 58 million in USDC, so making a little bit of percentage on it and people is probably just going to leave their money there. But when it come down to Tectonic, things you see is not no crazy amount of money fully in there, total borrowed, total supply. You can check it all out. And it's definitely tough, man, when you gotta compare it to everybody else. Not good. 166,000 right here. Coin circulation is still don't show, and we never had the coin circulation, and coin been out since almost a year and we still can't actively find the coin circulation on website. That is not good. We could see what people are saying on CoinMarketCap. So you got 7 hours ago this project has done absolutely nothing but tank for about 8 months. However, it's so cheap. Or why not? So it's like, man, at this point it's down so low. How low can it go? In my opinion, lower. Oh man, time to acquire. Invite everyone you can. Get stuff said in Spanish. Tonic, why it continued to drop 1 trillion, hold 30 billion staked in diamond hands, holding for the future passive income as we're asset. So I look like everybody's just bullish on the future of Tectonic, what they are planning to do. So for that we have to go to Twitter to see if they are showing they get something, and right now they are at 51,000 followers, which is bad. In this room you gotta have a lot more than this, man. It's just not even good. Looking forward to our chat. So Tectonic is doing a Q&A on a Kronos chain on a Monday tomorrow. What are the people saying about that? Are you guys going to tune in? I'm looking forward to be Crow listen and say it. I'm waiting for tonight to be listed on more exchanges with